Welcome to TripNest, your go-to destination for luxury travel, breathtaking places, nature escapes, lifestyle experiences, and the most delicious food from around the world. We post 4-6 videos every week, bringing you the best in travel, from hidden gems to 5-star luxury experiences. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or the ultimate foodie journey, we've got you covered. Luxury travel. We take you to the world's most exclusive resorts, private villas, and dream destinations. Nature and adventure. From island hopping in the Maldives to hiking the Swiss Alps, we explore the most beautiful natural wonders. Food and culture, fine dining, local street food, and hidden culinary gems, we experience it all. And the best part? We're uploading multiple times a week, so there's always a new adventure waiting for you. We want you to be the part of our journey. If you love discovering new places and experiences, show your support by liking this video. It really helps our channel grow. Subscribing and turning on notifications. You don't want to miss out on our weekly adventures. Sharing this video. Spread the love with fellow travelers. Check out our blog. Get exclusive travel tips, itineraries, and updates link in bio. TripNest, where every journey becomes an unforgettable story. Subscribe now, and let's explore the world together. See you in the next adventure. Thank you. Regards from Team AVs.